If you work with large spreadsheets, filling up screens worth of information, then have you been introduced to the watch window? It lets you actually keep an eye on how things are changing in your formulas, even if you're not actually looking at that cell. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks for your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Here I am in Excel. I've got a list of items from a store, their stock levels, and right at the very bottom you can see I'm just keeping a general tally of how much stock. Now as I change the items, as I show what's been ordered and how the levels have changed, I want to keep an eye on my total stock because I've only got so much space. So all I need to do is on the ribbon click into the Formulas tab, and there towards the right hand side we've got Watch Window. It opens up a little dialog box that's just going to float on top of my screen, and the first thing I need to do is add watch. It's going to take the cell that I've selected, so it's a good thing I've already clicked it. Click add watch, it confirms the address, and this can be arranged, it doesn't have to be a single cell, and it adds it in. I can add more and I can make this a much larger dialog box if I need to, but let's just start with one. Scroll back up and I can see that actually we're a bit low on the crochet gloves, so we've ordered some more and that's now gone back up to 10, and as I change that number you can see the value is updated as well. We've got none of those. Well, I remember saying that we ordered 15, and again it's all there for me. Quick and easy. I can simply add things in, and when I'm done, if I want, I can select it and I can delete the watch just to clear it out, and I can either close it or I can click on the button to hide it. If you found this video and this tip useful, please do give it a thumbs up, and remember to like and subscribe for notifications as new videos are released. I will see you next time.